Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another Beae tutorial, and in this one we are going to be discussing the featured element. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, to use the featured element you simply need to drag and drop it onto your page, and here you can see you have your icon, title and your content in here. Now the featured element could be utilized if you want to make a product really pop out to your customers. So to edit featured element you have few options on your editing panel. So first of all, in the featured box you can see design, and in here you can see you have box with image, and if you select this option you have an option to upload your image. You can choose among the library or you can upload your own. After design you have an option to set the position. You can set the icon on top, you can set it to the bottom, and you can do it to the right side, and similarly for the left side. So let's just put it back to normal. And after that you have your alignment options. So you have your three basic alignments, which is left, right and center. After alignment you have your icon link option, and from here you can choose any icon of your choice. So like for example, if I want to change the icon from star to something like shirt, I can type in here shirt, and you can see t-shirts are now visible. So let's just select this icon and now it is changed to shirt. After icon list you have an option of subheading, and here you can input a subheading. So like for example, if I want to add a subheading of t-shirts, I can do that simply by adding my subheading. So you can see t-shirts is now visible under our icon. After that you have your main heading, and you can change the main heading from this field. Let's just call it discount up to 50%. So you can see our heading is now changed to discount up to 50%. Finally we have our content, and in here you can add your content and you can also edit it. So you can bold it, you can italic it, you can also underline, and you can see you have all of these options. You also have an option to add your bullet points. So you can see it is now ordered list, and after order list you have your unordered list. So it is just going to be adding this little dot in here. If you want to just change it back to normal, you can simply click this clear format option, and you can see it is now changed back to default. You also have this really great option to insert a link. So you can simply paste your link in here and your link will be added to the content. Now if you want to add a button to your featured element, you can do that simply by typing in here the title for the button. So let's just type in here order now, and you can see our button is now added. And to make the button functional you can simply add a button link in here. So you can add any link of your choice in here, and finally you have the option of button ID. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the featured element, and I really hope this could be really useful for you. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.